Right, well, today's little project. I was going out yesterday, wanted to wear my watch. Typical, things flat, I haven't worn it in ages. So, quick Google, get a battery done. No, I'm not paying 65 quid. So, there's an alternative. We need to get a couple of bits of tools together, then we'll crack on with this one.
I feel amazing, being on this highlight every single day, and mine is like a highlight. This is what I bathe and excited because I know I'm going in places. Everything I want is coming to me. Getting DMs asking how much for a feature. Tell them if it's right.
So what we have here then should be a little toolkit. There we go. Empty box, recycle. You can get them anywhere from like 8 quid to 30 odd pounds, but this was about 15 quid actually, thinking about it. Yeah, it looks alright. The reason I got this one is because this is the tool for getting the watch undone. It's got 3 prongs. You can get some with 2, and I wanted to spread the load a little bit. This is just going to be simply changing this battery, see how long it takes. I've changed the pins for the little small round ones because they fit in better, but let's waffle, let's crack on. It's much better. Oh, we're out already. There's a little lever there, I think. Holds the battery, and there it is. Right, pop that down there. There one. Energizer, looks the same. Happy days. Try not to touch any of this in here. See, he's sticking his fingers on it. Done. Right, that new battery was £2.30 from Amazon. Energizer one, so it's a branded one, not like some cheap thing, but tell me how that whole process is worth 65 quid. Nah.
I feel amazing, being on this highlight every single day, and mine is like a highlight. This is what I bathe and excited because I know I'm going in places. Everything I want is coming to me. Getting DMs asking how much for a feature. Tell them if it's right.